Exogenic processes are geological phenomena that occur externally to the Earth's surface. These processes play a crucial role in shaping the Earth's landforms through physical and chemical methods. The energy for exogenic processes mainly comes from the atmosphere, the sun, and the slope of the land.
Exogenic processes, driven by external forces like solar energy and gravity, play a crucial role in shaping the Earth's surface. They are responsible for the breakdown of rocks, the transportation of weathered material, and deposit of sediments in new location.
Weathering is the process that breaks down rocks, soils, and minerals at or near the Earth's surface. It's a crucial part of the rock cycle, transforming existing rocks into sediments that form new rocks. Weathering occurs in place, meaning the rock's material doesn't move significantly during the process. It's distinct from erosion, which involves the transportation of weathered material.
Erosion. Erosion is a geological process that involves the wearing away and transportation of Earth's surface material, such as rock, soil, and sediments, by natural forces like wind, water, and ice. It is a continuous process that shapes the Earth landscapes, creating valleys, canyons, and coastline.
Deposition. Deposition is the process by which material, transported by wind, water, or ice, is laid down or settled. It often occurs when these agents lose energy and can no longer carry their load. Deposition. Deposition happens in various settings. Number 1. River systems. Sediments are deposited in river deltas, floodplains, and the base of waterfalls as water slows down. Number 2. Wind deposition. Wind can transport and deposit sand and dust in areas like dunes and low plains. Number 3. Glacial deposition. Glaciers can carry debris as they move and deposit it at till or outwash when they melt. Number 4. Coastal areas. Waves and currents deposit sediments to form beaches, bars, and spits. These deposits can create diverse landforms and impact ecosystem. Each settings involve different processes and factors influencing the deposition.
The conclusion of exogenic processes involves the continuous transformation of Earth's surface through external forces originating outside the planet. These processes, including weathering, erosion, and deposition, play a fundamental role in shaping the landforms we observe today. By wearing down the land and distributing materials through natural mechanisms like wind, water, and ice, exogenic forces sculpt and modify the Earth's surface over extended periods. The interaction between exogenic process and human activities are crucial for sustainable land use planning and environmental conservation efforts. Ultimately, the effects of exogenic processes, although slow and imperceptible in the short term, significantly impact the Earth's geology